Hi folks, we've been busy researching wireless earbuds to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps, so you can jump right to the earbuds that interest you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what wireless earbuds you're using right now and what you think of them. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best wireless earbuds. The fifth product on our list is the Sennheiser CX True Wireless. The Sennheiser CX True Wireless is a pair of high-value earbuds that come with a modest price tag. They have a solid build with Sennheiser's signature boxy shape. You'll love that the touch panels are matte black, along with the case. The earbuds are lightweight, despite their bulky exterior. Sennheiser also gives you 4 pairs of silicone ear tips, ranging from extra small to large. This ensures that you get a secure fit. The CX True Wireless are IPX4 rated, so they can withstand sweat and exposure to water. These earbuds feature capacitive touch panels, which means that you can adjust volume, answer calls, or control playback without touching your phone. Sennheiser's Smart Control app allows you to assign specific controls. This is a handy feature that lets you customize your experience. Aside from that, the app also has a 3-band EQ module and EQ presets for boosting the bass or listening to podcasts and movies. These earbuds last up to 9 hours in constant use, while the case holds up to 18 hours of charging. The sound quality on this Sennheiser unit is excellent. You get the full range of mid, high and low frequencies. Here's something you should know before buying the Sennheiser CX True Wireless. Firmware updates can take a bit of time, which some people may find inconvenient. If you're looking for affordable earbuds with quality that won't disappoint, the Sennheiser CX True Wireless is a solid choice. The fourth product on our list is the Jabra Elite 75T. Jabra's Elite 75T is a pair of wireless earbuds with excellent build quality and an affordable price. When you first pair them with your device, you'll have to hold down 2 buttons at the same time. You can also pair it with 2 devices, making them ideal for people who need to switch between phone and tablet. The 75T has a durable build with an IP55 rating that protects it against water damage. You won't have to worry about the rain or your sweat with this unit. The earbuds weigh about 5 grams or 0.17 ounces, making them lightweight and comfortable to use. The controls are easy to learn. Using Jabra's dedicated app, you'll be able to customize the controls to suit your needs. There's also the Jabra Sound Plus app to apply EQ to your music or turn on the Hear Through feature. The Hear Through feature allows you to hear your surroundings by having the mic pick up the sounds. This is a helpful tool for commuters. The battery life of the Elite 75T lasts around 7.5 hours on constant playback. The case gives you 28 hours of charge, which is more than enough for a whole day use. You'll have no issues taking calls with these earbuds as they have a decent mic that captures audio clearly. Here's something you should know before buying the Jabra Elite 75T. The Elite 75T has a booming bass that some people may dislike. The Jabra Elite 75T checks all the boxes for the build, sound and mic quality. It's a great pair of wireless earbuds that you'll love. The third product on our list is the Master & Dynamic MW08. Master & Dynamic's MW08 is a pair of earbuds with a premium look and feel. The first thing you'll notice about this unit is its build. The charging case features a mirror-like steel exterior. The brand gives you a fabric pouch so that you won't accidentally scratch it when not in use. The MW08's earbuds have a comfortable weight that feels solid. The ceramic, aluminium and stainless steel construction give you not only style but durability. You have the option of a black matte case or a stainless steel one. They come fitted with medium-sized rubber ear tips, but you'll also get extra small to large so that you can choose the ones that suit you best. If you're worried about the elements, you'll be happy to know that the MW08 has an IPX5 rating. These earbuds boast automatic noise cancelling coupled with an awareness function, which is perfect if you're using them outdoors. Controls are easy to get used to. The right earbud has a button for playback and voice assistant access, while the left has volume control. To trigger the automatic noise cancelling, you'll have to hold the 2 buttons on the left down simultaneously. Battery life is standard, with this unit lasting up to 10 hours. The case holds another 30 hours of charge, so you won't have any issues if you're travelling. Here's something you should know before buying the Master & Dynamic MW08. Some users find connecting the app to the headphones a bit slow. From the build and design to the sound quality, these wireless earbuds are worth every penny. The second product on our list is the Sony WF-1000XM4. The Sony XM4s are one of the best true wireless earbuds you can find. The build is top notch with its compact charging case and earbuds that come with polyurethane foam tips. These tips come in 3 sizes to suit any user. As this is a smart device, you get capacitive touch controls. You can customise the setup using the brand's Headphones Connect app, which also lets you tweak the unit's sound. If you're worried about accessing the touch controls while you're working out, you'll be glad to know that the WF-1000XM4 comes equipped with sweat resistance. With noise cancelling and high-res playback, you might be concerned about the battery life. Sony accounts for this with its V1 processor, which helps the unit consume less energy even while you're using the features. The foam tips in Sony's app ensure that you get the best fit. You can access the fit test on the app, which will tell you if you need larger or smaller ear tips. The controls are accessed through tapping. Additionally, you can enable the pass-through feature by holding a finger to your earbud. When you remove one of them, your music automatically stops, convenient if you need to talk to someone briefly. Here's something you should know before buying the Sony WF-1000XM4. You can't adjust the automatic noise cancellation settings. The Sony WF-1000XM4 gives you a lot of bang for your buck. It's a set of wireless earbuds that anyone would love to use, especially if you're looking for great isolated audio and features that go beyond your expectations. The first product on our list is the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. Bose's QuietComfort earbuds are an all-around premium option with fantastic usability. The build is reminiscent of the brand's usual design with discrete curves that look sleek yet bulky. The charging case shares a matte texture which comes in black or white. On the exterior of the case you'll find 4 LEDs that indicate how much battery you have left. Inside there's a button on the middle that you can use to pair the earbuds to your device manually. The Bose Music app lets you access advanced settings such as switching between devices, customising the controls or adjusting the automatic noise control levels. You can trigger these with controls on the earbud by tapping, holding or swiping. With ANC enabled in continuous use, the batteries on the QuietComfort last up to 6 hours. You can get an additional 2 hours of playtime by charging them in the case for 15 minutes. The sound quality of these earbuds is excellent for music. It boasts a great frequency range with bass notes that will have you excited. Automatic noise cancelling is easy to adjust as Bose gives you a sliding scale, so you can adjust it from 1 to 10. This also gives you the option to increase ambient audio, perfect for commuting. Here's something you should know before buying the Bose QuietComfort earbuds. Some people find the Bose case to be larger than it has to be. If you're looking for optimised noise cancelling, the Bose QuietComfort earbuds is a great choice. And there you have it folks, the 5 wireless earbuds that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.